What's going on? This your boy J Starts 392 coming at y'all with another one. Please, if you watching this video, like, comment, subscribe. Help me get in YouTube algorithms, y'all. Help me help y'all. This is the way that I can get my videos seen a lot more by y'all liking the video, sharing the video, and subscribing. It ain't that hard. Just go ahead and click that button and subscribe. It's a quick click. But now that that's out the way, I am headed to Dodge, y'all. Headed to Dodge, 7 o'clock in the morning. I got an appointment at 7:30. My car has been acting it's too early. Real weird. Like I've been having a bad knocking noise. And I think I know what it is, but I'm guessing. My opinion is it's a drive shaft, because it's knocking real bad. But like I said, that's a guess. If y'all know, if y'all ever had like a knocking noise on Dodge Chargers, please comment below. I really want to know. Like, as I'm filming this though, I'm taking it to the dealership, but I still want to know if y'all ever had this happen to a car that's under 20,000 miles. That's what I really want to know, because like I shouldn't be having no knocking noise. And despite what y'all might think, I don't drive it hard all the time. I really don't. Like, I ride in custom, which is street for me. I don't even have it in track. I don't have it in sport. My custom is street. And that's how I ride. But it's really, like, over the past couple weeks, it just got worse. This started, I would say, a month or two ago, but I ain't think nothing of it because it didn't do it all the time. But one day, when I was with my wife, I was coming back from somewhere, but I was at a red light, and it just started knocking, bam, 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 like 3 hard times. Like, what the f is that? I'm just sitting at the red light, dumbfounded, because it ain't never did it that bad. So after that, I stopped driving it until I could take it to the dealership. I drove it yesterday to see if it was doing it. Nothing. As y'all know, every time you take something to a car to a dealership, it don't ever do it. So I wanted to drive it yesterday to see if it was gonna start doing it again. Nothing. Not a damn thing happened yesterday while I was driving. So I'm like, I already know I'm gonna get to the dealership. They're gonna be like, you can't fix it, because it's not doing nothing. We needed to repeat what it was doing. And I'm gonna just be there for a waste of time because they're not gonna be able to fix it. That's why I'm trying to drive it hard, so when I get to the dealership, it's doing it. Like, I needed to be doing it when I get to the dealership because I need this fixed. It's the only car I ever had that had problems at 20,000 miles. Granted, this is the second car I done had that only made it over 20,000 miles, but that's a different story. I digress. That ain't nothing to tell. I never kept a car over 20,000 miles. But yeah, it's really bothering me, y'all. I need y'all to get in the comments and tell me if something like that ever happened to y'all. Like, I need to know. like I said, I ain't never had this happen in the car that's just a little bit over 20,000. Let alone like have any issues. I never had it. So for me, especially with this only being my second Mopar, I had issues with my first one, which was the Challenger. The freaking brakes was warped on that one, and it was fresh off the lot. Like I had to take it to get the rotors redone like 2 months after I bought it, because they would freaking squill and scratch backing up. And now I got this one. Now I got a freaking knocking noise. So Mopar, y'all need to get it together, because I only had two. Both of them I had issues with. I don't like that. I had two Lexus before a Mopar, never had any issues. So, like I said, y'all need to get together, Mopar, Dodge, Chrysler, Ram, and Jeep. Y'all need to get it together, because I ain't got time for these issues. I like to drive my car. I love my car. So you know I want to drive it. Like I'm at a red light right now. Nothing. It's not doing anything. This is gonna piss me off, because I'm gonna get to the dealership and they're gonna tell me they can't fix it. No, like that. I guess you could say I'm ranting, because I ain't never had issues like this on a car with knocking noises. But it is what it is. I still got warranty, so I'm gonna get it fixed. It's just the fact that I don't like it. I don't like that I'm having these issues. I only got, to be exact, 22,800 miles on here. I shouldn't be having these issues, especially because I don't race, I don't do nothing. Yeah, I might from time to time take off on somebody on the highway, but that's very rare. I don't do nothing. I just enjoy my car, as I should. Like Hemi Life say, I ain't got time for racing. I just enjoy my car. I'm not a racer. I did that when I was younger. I'm doing it now. So, yeah, I'm gonna stop talking right now, and when I get to the dealership and find out what the hell is going on with my car, I will come back on camera. Hopefully, if I remember. I gotta